I looked out the window of my hotel in Doha, Qatar, and decided I'm going to walk across this city today. The goal was to walk 26 miles, or 42 kilometers. I wanted to walk completely across Doha, but I didn't have anything I wanted to see in particular. I didn't have any places I really wanted to go. I also didn't use a GPS. All I tried to do is just walk. Then I stumbled into this area called the souk. And this area is pretty cool. Now it's time to cut through the corniche and go to wherever these buildings are. I don't even know what this area is called. I just want to check it out. I have to be the world's worst fisherman. I don't even really know how to hold the pole, but I gave it a shot. I tried to get in on this cricket match. I told them I'm willing to play goalie. They didn't take me seriously. All right, now it's like 6 p.m. and I'm at 20 miles. That's like 32 kilometers. So I really only got 6 miles to go. I got this. All right, this is getting ridiculous. I'm at 23 miles and it's only 9 o'clock. I only have 3 miles left to go to accomplish the goal. My hotel is only 3 miles away. So I'm gonna walk back to the hotel and I'm gonna hit 26 miles or 42 kilometers. Incredible day. Mission accomplished. I walked 26 miles or 42 kilometers from one end of Doha, Qatar to the other. If you enjoyed this content, hit the subscribe button, follow along. I have plenty of more videos coming your way, and they're only going to get better.